Alright, this is the Burts Beef Nighttime Cough Syrup. Again, I got this for free sample. Sad part it is not recommended for children under 3. But, yeah. Alright, it's Mananuka and honey flavored. It's supposed to be grape flavored. Let's see how this tastes. Alright. Baby. What? Oh, same color as the daytime. So remember, daytime can't go for 1-year-olds. Nighttime, nope. So it's something in the sleep. Ooh. All right, give that a taste. Oh. Why do they say it's grape flavored? Maybe if the bees mushed honey and grape together and something else. Ugh. Then again, it's cough syrup, so it's not supposed to taste good. It's supposed to taste gross because it's medicine.